familiar. 1 minute. Okay, children, to make sure that you are thorough with content and form words, I have told you content and form words are a particular classification that we classify the words under the parts of speech into two different groups. Okay, content words and form words. Okay, and also I said, children, now when we talk, we are not stressing on each words, right? Some stressed words, some are non-stressed words when we communicate, right? So as I have told you, if we watch a full English movie, we won't be able to follow what fully they said.
Yes,
Okay,
because
the words they use.
pronunciation.
Okay, we'll use only the subtitles to
pronunciation
follow the
and
movie, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And also,
Yes, ma'am.
as I have told you, children, we are all Malayalis. We have a slang of speaking or have a connection with Malayalam language also, an influence of Malayalam language also when we speak. Okay,
Yes, ma'am,
so
that's
let us hear
Yes,
a few
ma'am.
words from Isha Binoy. Isha, I request you to speak a few, something. You
I
talk
don't know.
about your hobbies.
My hobbies are painting, playing the piano, and reading.
Hmm?
Yeah, that's about all the hobbies I have. Nothing else.
Okay, then
Then I don't
your
know
life
what.
with your parents. Tough
Yeah.
time now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so speak something first, quick.
I have a pet.
Mhm.
Name is Fluffy, but I can't play with him anymore because
What happens?
I have an allergy. But
Okay.
I have to avoid playing with him. I can play with him, but only for some time.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Isha. So just check the way that she speaks, check the way that I speak. There is a slight difference.
Yes.
Okay, the way that
Yes, ma'am.
I am using here when I communicate my language is totally different from Isha's way. Why? Because born and brought up at USA, children. I'm only from India. She's from
Yes, ma'am.
USA, right? So she
Yes.
has got
Yes,
used
ma'am.
with the slang. She didn't get the Malayalam slang. She is actually from there. She has got and trained under such people, the original native people. See, this is the
an
difference.
English council's
This
people.
is the major
teachers.
difference. Okay, so I am born and brought up in India. I'm being a Malayali. I speak only in Malayalam whenever I am getting time. Right? We communicate.
Yes,
We are so expressive when we use our mother tongue. Right? So this is called mother tongue influence. Okay. So the when just listen to Isha's. Just recap again. Just hear Isha once again and see wherever she is stressing when she is talking in the class. Right? She's stressing not only all the words. Okay, certain words, even some sounds are not even pronounced. Very silent some places, right? So children, this is called stressed words and non-stressed words in English grammar. Okay, so let me share the screen for you. We are going to talk about content and form words, the stressed words and non-stressed words in English grammar.
Yes.
Okay,
Right, ma'am.
so please note content and form words. I have told you, children, each word in English belongs to one of the 8 parts of speech, right? Right from noun to
Yes,
interjections, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
now
instructions.
each
Noun to
word
8.
also
Noun
either
pronoun.
a content word or a function word. We can classify these group of words under 2 categories. Okay, it can be a content word. It shares information.
Or a form.
It has some particular meaning of its own. See, if I say Adil Shafiq is writing a poem. Okay, suppose if I say that Adil Shafiq is writing a poem. Adil Shafiq is name of a particular boy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Writing is an
Yes,
action word. Okay, it is the present participle form of the word. Writing.
Yes,
You can
ma'am.
see that he is using his pen, he is scribbling something on the paper, right? A poem. It has also meaning. A wonderful lyric. Okay, wonderful poem.
It has a meaning.
He's writing. Okay, so but there is no meaning for the word is. Actually, is it doesn't have a particular meaning, but it is used to stitch rest of the words properly with the sentence, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Content words are stressed words which gives us some information. If you search these words in the dictionary, you will be getting a meaning.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
quickly,
Okay, ma'am.
silently,
Ma'am, beautifully. Beautiful.
beautiful. If you search these words in the dictionary, you will get some, and or it is actually used in that sentence for sharing some information to give some meaning, right? At the same time, the words like is, I, and all, if you will search these words in the dictionary also, you will get one particular meaning. But the problem, we are using it to stitch, or we are using it to connect all other words in a sentence to make our sentence beautiful.
Yes.
She's not
Okay,
giving us
so the
any
stressed
information.
words, the stressed words are called content words. The non-stressed words are called form words. Okay, these form words is equal to grammatical structure. Okay, we have structure. You know, as you all know, structure means grammar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
it
ma'am,
means
grammar.
structure. The
Yes,
structure
ma'am.
of the
Yes,
sentence
ma'am.
or the skeleton of the sentence means it should have a proper grammar in it. Okay, if there is no grammar, it's not good sentence at all. So no, everybody cannot see why we are actually using the poems and why are we going after Kamala Das. I'm a great fan of Kamala Das. Okay, you know,
Ma'am,
she speaks something, I actually want to be there just in front of her to
ma'am,
hear
who
what
is
she
that
is going to
Kamala
say.
Das? Kamala Das.
Kamala Das. Now no more. Now no more. So children, such a people, why are we using? And also still, see, I don't know which century. I think 16th or 17th or 18th century. Now this is 21st century, right? Shakespeare lived in 18th century, suppose. Okay,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
he lived in that century, still in 21st century, still in
Please
21st
remember.
century, we are using the plays, or we are ready to read the plays of William Shakespeare.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
very,
Also, we
very,
are
very happy to
remembering.
read
Remembering.
Othello. We are happy to read what I can
ma'am.
say this
Macbeth.
Macbeth. Then Romeo and Juliet.
Romeo and Juliet. Then
Ah,
Cleopatra. Cleopatra.
The other
William
one, the
Wordsworth.
Tempest.
Ma'am,
My
William
favorite is the Tempest.
Ma'am,
Right?
can we start?
Yes.
Julius Caesar. Okay, many plays. Why? Because he has a wonderful language, right?
Yes, ma'am. English.
He
English
coined
is
many
from.
terms to English language also.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. So
Poems.
structure. So we form is equal to structure. Structure means grammar. So structural words are coming under the form words, and meaningful some words which gives us information or a particular meaning is said to be the stressed words or content words in English grammar. Clear? Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. It's very clear.
Okay. So
ma'am.
in other words, look at here. In other words, content word or these words give us the important information, while function words are used to stitch those words together. Okay, content words will get some information about what is happening here. At the same time, we are using function words to stitch those words together. We are making grammatically perfect sentence with the help of functional words. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very clear?
Very clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what are the content words? Under the list, see, look at
Nouns,
here.
verbs.
These are the examples for content words.
Yes, ma'am. It
Okay,
gives a meaning.
nouns are examples for content words. Racine, it's the name of a girl. Dr.
Yes,
Rama
ma'am.
Davis International School, name of a school. Himalaya, Mount Everest, all these are names, right?
Names.
The president,
Yes, ma'am.
prime minister are the titles, right?
Excuse me,
So
ma'am.
such nouns are examples
Joe
for
Biden
content
and-
words. Yes, somebody is calling me.
Ma'am, content words are informations, right?
Content words are,
Informations.
it gives like
Ma'am,
adjectives,
Ma'am,
like
so I,
adjectives. Not
ma'am, so-
always gives. See, if we talk about a particular place, Kerala. Okay, that Kerala is the name of a place, right? We are talking about a particular place, right? So by using a word Kerala, we are actually giving a slight information about the place, right? I
ma'am,
mean,
so okay, ma'am. So if I am saying that Anju ma'am got an Oscar, I am particularly.
my God, so I am a best actor in the world. Thank you. I have to appreciate myself. Thank you. I am a best
Ma'am, so-
actor of the world.
Ma'am, so
Okay.
I'm
See,
particularly
I
saying.
want the best award, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so I'm saying particularly Anju ma'am got Oscar award. So
Hmm.
that is
Anju ma'am got Oscar award.
Okay, ma'am.
All the words are
Content.
content.
Yes, it gives a meaning.
All the words are
Content
content.
words. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Anju ma'am is name of a person. Got is the main verb. Okay. Oscar Award is actually a name of a greatest award in the world. Right? I am honored, right? Thank you, Ayman, at least giving me a chance to honor here on the screen. Okay, so children, please listen. Grammy Award. Thank you
And
again.
that's a singing
I'm
award.
getting more happy. Okay, Grammy Award, and actually I'm getting Oscar Award. Any other awards?
Yes, ma'am. State.
And Nobel Prize.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
And Nobel
I
Prize.
won't be the poet laureate, okay? I want the award for the poet laureate also. So today itself,
World Cup.
I'll buy a 100-page notebook and I'll start writing poems. Okay, my intention, my desire, my wish for today is anyway by going home. I'll buy a 200-page book and today itself I'll start writing a poem in English. I want to become the poet
We'll give
laureate.
one award, ma'am. We'll give one award.
For that also I'm
And
going to
the
do one.
best
Okay, so
teacher
thank you
is
so much,
all
children.
And Best Teacher Award.
Okay, thank you. So children, please listen here. So we are talking about this content and form words. So listen here. Nouns are examples for content words. Verbs. I've told you only not all the verbs. Not all the verbs, only main verbs are examples. As Ayman said,
Yes,
Anju
ma'am.
ma'am got.
Not
So
auxiliary
that got
verbs.
is a main verb where I'm not using any auxiliary verb here. Okay. So main
Please and
verb.
all,
All
it is not.
main verbs are examples for content words, not auxiliary verbs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Adjectives. Describing words.
Beautiful.
You said, ma'am,
Beautiful.
you have a
If
beautiful,
beautiful
hair, right?
means
Yes, ma'am. You have a
Now
beautiful
you
voice
said,
also.
but I cut short it.
Biggie.
Okay. You said, ma'am, you have a beautiful hair. So you are describing the length of my hair, the beauty of my hair, the color of my hair, right? So it's a describing word, adjective, right? That is also an example. It gives information about my beautiful hair, right? It's golden in color,
yes, ma'am.
not golden. In between started white color. It started appearing everywhere. Okay. So just see, I am just describing my hair. I'm describing my dress.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
wearing my beautiful gown today. Actually, today top I am wearing, but still I can say that I'm wearing a Cinderella gown today. See how beautiful it is, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
I'm using different
Yes, ma'am.
words to express myself. Just before you, I'm giving additional information about my dress, my hair, my talks, right? Everything. So adjectives are describing words. It describes something. It describes a noun. Yes, Alim Siyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so additional information. So it's also an example for content word. Okay, adverbs are big brothers coming adverbs. Okay, adverbs, it gives additional information about verbs. As I have told you, it is connected
Yes,
with
ma'am.
verbs.
Lovely.
It gives information about verbs. It describes how an action is done. Or if you ask a question, how, when, where, and all, how often, and all, you will get an answer in the form of adverb. So all the adverbs of time,
Adverb of
place,
frequency, time,
frequency,
Manner.
those are coming
manner.
under.
Yes.
Those are coming under the
Adverb of
content words. Okay.
adverb of
Am I clear,
Manner.
Pavitra Girish?
yes, ma'am.
Am I
Adverb of
clear,
degree.
Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Degree, ma'am.
nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and main verbs, not auxiliary verbs. Okay, main verbs
Yes.
are examples for content words. Let us see. There are some new PowerPoints today. Content words. Noun can be name of person. It can be name of place. It can be
Place.
name of thing. It
And-
can be a name of animal. Okay, and you can see the verb. That should be the action
Action or
word. Okay, remember we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
using
Verbs
only
are action word.
main verb. Okay, we are
Yes,
using
ma'am.
only
Auxiliary
main
verb
verb.
we
We
are
are not
not
using
using.
auxiliary
No,
verb.
not
And adjective, as you all know, it describes an object or it describes a noun. Object can be a noun or pronoun, right? So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
noun, you can say that it is an adjective in use, and you know adverbs, it tells us how, where, when something happens, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Information
How
about-
often,
see, it is,
frequency.
we are
degree,
using adverbs to
manner.
talk about, or it gives more information about verbs, right? So let us see
Yes,
the next
ma'am.
slide. Now we are going to talk about form words. Okay, this is our topic. Content words are literature topic, right? Content words are normally used to write poems. Content words are normally used to write plays, stories, everything, because we need or we actually want to give
Neutral
some
word.
information. But our area, Our area, it is actually the form
Form
words,
words.
right?
Form words. Yes,
We
ma'am.
are
ma'am.
grammarian. We
Form
are
words.
learning grammar.
Ma'am,
This
can
is
you
grammar
show the
class.
difficult
So we are
slide?
giving primary importance to these words. So what are the form words, children? Very particular. Everybody please look at here. All the auxiliary verbs like be forms, am, is, are, was, where are examples for and has, have, had, to, dusted. Already we discussed in the class. Okay. These are auxiliary verbs, and these auxiliary verbs are examples for form words.
Ma'am,
Okay.
articles are form words, right?
Articles, there is a problem. Articles are also adjectives in use. Okay, because it is placed before a noun, right? The
Yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
an apple,
Yes, ma'am.
and so we are using it is in the form of an adjective also. But remember, a and the, if you see in a sentence, that can be labeled as a form word.
Form word.
Okay, that can be labeled as a form word because article plays a very important role in grammar.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Okay,
Ma'am,
so I'll share the screen once again. Look at
Ma'am,
the
what
board.
did you take in the in this class? Because I had a hearing issue, not hearing
No
issue.
problem. You can watch the recorded class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, auxiliary verbs, articles. Now we are going to talk about prepositions. See, prepositions, you know, it is positioned before a noun, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is also
Yes, ma'am.
positioned
On-
before a noun,
Yes,
and it
ma'am.
shows the time, it shows the direction, it shows the location, it shows the place of a noun in a sentence, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Those are
Conjunctions
small
and
words which we are using to show the direction of a noun where the particular person is traveling. He's going, he's moving towards the river, or is moving towards the school, towards the house, or whatever it is, towards
towards.
the gates. Okay,
Towards,
across the
sir.
river. Okay, and above the bridge. Okay,
Yes, above, ma'am.
on the table. So it shows the position. It shows
Side.
the place. It shows the time at 6 o'clock.
Direction.
Yes, ma'am.
6 o'clock, and it is there to use just to show the location of something also. But remember, prepositions are very easy to identify because that is also placed before a noun in a sentence. Okay, this is the
Okay, ma'am.
position.
Yes,
ma'am.
The actual position of a preposition, it is positioned before a noun. Okay, and the pronouns, you know, pronouns are grammatical structures which we are using to avoid the repetition of nouns in a sentence. Instead of using a proper and common noun all the time, we are just avoiding the same proper and common noun. Instead of that, once it is used, we are using this pronouns to set a grammatically correct sentence, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
pronouns
That's
are
a
also
good
under
word.
form words. So what are the major form words, children? The form words are auxiliary verbs, conjunctions, prepositions, pronouns, and articles.
Pronoun.
Remember,
And
a, an,
articles.
and the are the articles coming under the form words. Okay. Now I have
Yes, ma'am.
written all the auxiliary verbs here. You know, auxiliary verbs are do forms. Do forms are do, doesn't it? Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Be
Do from
forms.
do doesn't.
Am,
Am is a was.
was, where.
Sam, the
Okay.
past.
At the same time, have forms. Has,
Have, has.
only
Have.
these are
Have.
auxiliary verbs, children.
No, ma'am.
Modal
Modal auxiliary.
Auxiliaries.
Modal
Modal
auxiliaries.
auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries.
Shall, should, will.
May, might,
Would, can, could.
You
May,
learned it
might,
last
must.
time,
need,
right?
may, ought
Secondary
to.
auxiliary verbs. Yes, these are the secondary auxiliary verbs. These are called modals in English grammar, and these are also coming under the form words. Okay, apart from be, do, and have forms, these forms like modal auxiliaries are also form words. Am I clear, yes, Rhea?
Ma'am, intentions are also in the form, right? It's not mentioned here.
Ma'am, can you share the
Interjections.
word?
Interjections
can you share the
can be, but we are not labeling in the particular content or
Ma'am,
form
can you
words
share
because
the
these are
board?
just words which we are using to express our feelings, right? It doesn't have a proper function. Actually,
Ma'am,
it
can
is
you share
used.
the board?
Okay, it is used. Yes, I'll
Yes.
share.
Understood, ma'am.
Prepositions also, it shows the relationship in time and space. Okay, articles also,
Yes.
you know, a,
Indicate a specific
and
noun or.
the
Yes,
are
ma'am.
the
A and
articles used to indicate specific or non-specific nouns. Specific nouns means definite, non-specific means
Not
indefinite.
definite.
Indefinite.
Okay, so how many articles are there, children?
I mean, ma'am. Sorry.
Agree?
Yes, ma'am. I
Agree?
agree.
Definite article,
Agree.
indefinite article. So definite article is th
Yes,
the
ma'am, definitely.
indefinite article is a or an. So we have
Yes,
two
ma'am.
articles.
Or
Don't
an.
say that we have three. We have only two articles. Okay. Definite articles, indefinite articles.
Indefinite
Okay.
article.
Definite
Indefinite
article is th
article.
the indefinite
THE
article is a or
A and.
Or an.
either a or an. It shows one.
An.
Okay. Now conjunctions, you know, these are called the
Ma'am,
joining words.
Joining
that
words.
connect.
And.
Okay, example, and,
But.
yet.
Yet.
Fan boys. Fan boys.
Ah, okay,
Boys,
you know,
yes.
you're
Boy.
familiar with fan boys.
Fan
Fan
boys.
boys.
Or and.
Indefinite word.
Nor.
Okay. Mute.
For
All of
and.
you mute. Boys means what?
But. Or. Yet.
But.
Or
And.
yet.
But,
Yet.
or, yet.
Yes.
So.
Okay, these
So.
are examples
So.
of conjunctions. Okay,
And
and also
for
there
is-
are many conjunctions are there. Okay, because of the conjunction,
Okay.
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the
Because.
WH word.
Sometimes.
Ma'am, WH word.
all
WH
the
words.
WH words are
Which
conjunctions.
which.
And
Sometimes.
the conjunction, there are many.
Which,
Just leave it.
what,
Leave it.
when.
Okay, leave it. So conjunctions are examples for form words. Okay, now
Words.
about the pronouns. As I have told you, you are familiar with first person pronouns, second person
ma'am.
pronouns, third person pronouns, right?
Third person. First person.
And
third-
also what
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
demonstrative pronouns? Also, you are familiar with this.
Yes, ma'am.
That,
Yes, correct.
these, those
This,
you
that,
learned during the vacation
This.
class, right?
This means.
I have.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, all the pronouns which we had learned during the vacation class are examples for pronouns. Okay. These are going under the form words. Okay. So content and form words. And look at here, children. Look at this slide. You have some points to remember. Okay. Content
Yes,
words are
ma'am.
stressed words in conversation. And
Form
form
words
words
are
are non-stressed words in conversation. Okay. Content words gives us most important information. Maybe it is about a subject or something to share.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
function
Meaning. It
words
will be
are
having a
just the
meaning.
words to stitch the words together to make
Yes, ma'am.
grammatically correct sentence.
Yes.
Okay. Function words are the
Okay,
words
ma'am.
we use to make our sentences grammatically correct. This we discussed a few minutes before. Okay. Now, other content words. This is a new topic for you. Apart from the content words that you have learned or you had learned last year, you have a few additional topics here. I request everybody to look at here. Okay. We have
Yes, ma'am.
other content words. That means these are the words coming under the content words again. Apart from nouns, adjectives, adverbs,
Adverbs.
and the other one. What is it?
No.
What is it?
Noun.
Nouns,
Noun.
adjectives,
Adjectives.
Adjectives.
we have these words also. These are also going under the content words, children. See, the negative words like no, not,
And never.
never are
Never.
examples for content words. The
Content
negative
words.
words are
Content words.
content
have it.
words. Okay. Negatives like no, not,
No,
never
not, and
are
never.
examples for content words. Okay.
Content.
You're also very familiar with the demonstrative pronouns.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
few
Yes,
minutes before we
It's
said.
very
All
important.
the demonstrative pronouns, suppose sometimes we are using this is my pen, right?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is
Yes,
my
ma'am.
pen.
My pen,
This is used to show that, or it is
And a
actually
person
showing
This is the
or
thing.
it's actually-
ownership.
it is actually giving us
Ownership.
additional information about the ownership of the pen. We are talking
Pen.
about that particular pen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
That's
this is all
specific.
the demonstrative pronouns. I'm not talking about demonstrative adjectives. I'm talking
No,
about
ma'am.
demonstrative pronouns.
Pronoun.
Okay, all the demonstrative pronouns. There are 4 demonstrative pronouns. This,
That.
These, those.
examples for content words.
And
Okay,
words.
are
Okay,
the
ma'am.
examples
Okay, ma'am.
for content
Content
words.
words.
Remember,
Content
we have a few additional information about content words. Negative words like no, not, never, nothing, everything is coming under the content word.
Content.
Content words.
In time, demonstrative pronouns like this,
This, that, these, and
that,
those.
these, and those.
these four are coming under the content word.
Content
Okay,
words.
look at here,
Coming under
children.
content.
All the
Yes, ma'am, it's
question words.
clear.
Okay, all the question words like what, where,
Where
when, how,
and
and why are also examples for content words.
Content words.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
these
Somebody is
two.
asking me something.
Where
Ma'am,
were
Receive.
what Anandesh?
Sri Shankar. Anandesh. Yes, Anandesh.
Ma'am, what where are all conjunctions, right?
We should know. We should check whether it is used as a question word. You know, what is the pattern of a question, Anandesh, spy?
Ma'am, question word.
Mm.
Auxiliary verb.
I'll write on the board. You tell me. I'll write on the board. Your question is a good question, Anandesh. See, you, as I have told you a few minutes before, we can use WH words like question words are examples for content words. At the same time, WH words are used in the form of a conjunction, right? If it is a conjunction, that goes under form words. Okay. Now, Anandesh Spy, you please tell me the question pattern.
Ma'am, question word.
Excellent. Question word.
Auxiliary verb.
Question word plus
Yes.
followed by an auxiliary verb plus
Verb.
verb plus. Is it verb?
Main verb.
After question
Main
word,
verb.
see,
Main
verb.
verb. Main verb.
so
Ma'am,
question word plus
main verb.
auxiliary verb plus.
Main verb.
Ma'am,
noun.
I repeat, question word plus auxiliary verb plus.
Noun.
Noun means what?
Main verb.
Noun means what? You're correct. But there is another word that you should use instead of noun.
Ma'am,
Pronoun.
What is a noun in a sentence? See, Anju.
Naming word.
Naming word. Okay. Anju. Wait. Anju is
Adjective.
dancing on the stage. Okay. Anju is dancing on the stage. What is Anju there in that subject?
Noun.
It is a noun.
Subject,
And
subject.
now, there you are. Somebody said. What is it?
Subject.
It is the subject of the sentence,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
what can you write, Anandesh Ashpai?
Subject.
Subject question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. That is the pattern of
Yes, ma'am.
setting a question, and it is ending with a question mark, right? So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
which word is used here, this is going under the content word. Okay, what is your name? There, what is not a conjunction, it is just a question word. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Name.
yes,
It's
ma'am.
not it's not a conjunction, it is just used like a question word. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
it's not a conjunction, it is a question word there. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
question word. Remember the pattern of asking a question, because if there is a question that should begin. If there is question word is not present, we have to start with an auxiliary verb, right? We are
Yes,
not using a
ma'am.
question word.
Yes,
Means we'll be
ma'am.
starting our
Auxiliary verb.
question with an auxiliary verb, right? So
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
if it is a question, there is a pattern of setting a question, that is question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb is the pattern of setting a question. So if WH word is used to begin a sentence, okay, and it is ending with a question mark, it is clear that it is a question word in that particular sentence, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Anadesh, is that point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, your second point. Ma'am said all WH words are said to be the conjunctions. You're right. All WH words are used in the form of conjunction. I'll write one example on the screen, children. Look it here. When I'll rub this. Look at the sentence here. I'm going to write a sentence where WH word is used as a conjunction. Okay. I saw a snake, comma, when I was
When joins, I saw a snake.
was going to school.
I was going to school and I saw snake joined with
Okay.
man. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
for one sentence
Yes,
of
ma'am.
mine. Is it a question word here? Is
No,
when
ma'am.
in the form
No,
of a
ma'am.
question?
it's not a question
What is
word.
it here?
Not a question word.
It's
It's a
just
This is not a
joining.
question word. This is not a question word because soon after the question word, I started my sentence with I was. I was going to school. A sentence. This is a pattern of a sentence, right? This is actually used, or it is actually used in the form of a connecting word.
yes,
Used in
Yes,
the form
ma'am.
of a joining word.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm joining these two sentences into one with the help of this conjunction.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes,
here
ma'am.
when
Okay,
is
ma'am.
not a question word. Here when is used in the form of a conjunction. This is
Conjunction.
how you should find out whether a WH word is used in the form of a conjunction or it is used in the form of a question word. Clear, Anand?
Yes, ma'am,
So
clear.
now also it is a content word. Now also it is a content word.
Which one?
When now also when is a content word.
Here in the sentence, here when is actually a conjunction. If a conjunction is used, is a conjunction a content or a form word, Anandesh?
Ma'am, it's a form word.
Form word. So this sentence WHEN when is a form word or a content word in use?
Ma'am, form word.
Correct. You good. Okay, this is your answer. So this is here in the second sentence. When is used in the form because it is a conjunction, so we can classify under or we can place it under the form word. At the same
Form
time,
words,
in the
yes,
first sentence, you can see that it is written
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
form of a question. Okay,
Ma'am,
it
so
is
the
written in
W.
the form of a question, so that is going under. It is as it is a question. It is going under the content word. Am I clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Another
So
person
the
asked it out.
ma'am,
Angelina.
so the when the word when the question word when is both content word and form word.
We can use according to the situation.
Okay,
WHEN
ma'am.
when if it is used in the sentence like a conjunction. Okay, if it is given in the form of a conjunction in a sentence, then you have to opt for writing form word. Okay, if it is question word, you can label it as a content word. Am I clear?
Okay,
If it is a conjunction,
Okay, ma'am.
form word. If it is used in the form of a question word, content word. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you give an
Yes,
example?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So let us see again.
Ma'am, can you please give one
Yes,
example?
ma'am.
Power failure.
No. Yes. Power failure.
Hello.
What?
No, I was just going to ask, give one example for that question was using as content
Yes,
word.
understood.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Last failure.
It's a statue of power failure.
Power failure.
Nan will tell us to leave.
Adil is the host.
Adil is the host.
No, tell after the charge.
And